This is Bo, and he's shooting the Daisy Red Ryder lever action air rifle. And here's Jack, shooting the Crossman variable pump single shot air pistol. And this is our backyard shooting range, where Jack, Bo, and friends will take aim and shoot targets. Today, I'm about to surprise Jack and Bo with new air guns. Since we live in California, the guns will be mine until they're 18. Regardless, until then, they'll use them with my permission and oversight.
What is it?
You're gonna have to open it up and find out. Jack, won't you open it up?
It's random. Did it come from random land?
What do you think it is? Look at the size of the box.
Bow and arrow.
Bow and arrow.
Like a sniper rifle?
Shooting targets is fun. We recently had a target shooting hangout with friends. We did our best to practice safe and responsible behavior while getting outside and touching grass together.
I think you should.
We are grateful to our friends for helping us test the backyard shooting range. We learned some important lessons and nobody got hurt.
Wait, nice and slow when you feel right. I think that's right on. Hey! Good one.
Hey, you got it! Yes! Liam!
Let's go, Liam!
Yeah, buddy! But we did shoot some eyes out.
A lot of parents won't let their kids shoot BBs because they're afraid they'll shoot their eye out. But that's the whole point.
If you're thinking about shooting targets in your backyard, make sure you know the rules. Provide a proper backstop and make safety priority number one. Shooting targets with air guns on private property can be safe, legal, and a lot of fun. Guys, what do you think about your new air guns?
I love them.
Want to test them out?
Yes.
In each of these balloons is a fortune that tells us our future. Who wants to go first?
I will. Next year, I will. Lead my team to victory. Next year, I will.
Up and down. Let's go see your fortune for next year.
Make the winning shot.
Next year you'll make the winning shot. All right. Next year I will. Oh, I can't wait to see my fortune. What's my fortune? Next year I will finally stop pooping my pants in public.
Here are 5 reasons you should shoot targets with your kids.
Ready?
Number 1, it's fun. Number 2, it's off the couch and outside. Number 3, you can make it competitive. Number 4, it's fun for young and old. And number 5, you can get an air gun, safety glasses, and ammo for about $60. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.